In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can record your laptop screen without installing any software. I will use built-in Windows 11 software to record my laptop screen. First of all, press Windows Shift S all together. Then here as you see at the top, a little toolbar. First option is screenshot taking option and second option is screen recording option. Just click on this camera icon. Now select your screen, which part you want to record. I will select my whole screen, something like this way. Then here as you see start recording button, just click on this button to record your laptop screen. Here as you see recording started. Now if you open any software, it will automatically record. Now to save your recording, just click on this little red icon to save your recording. Here as you see my recording is saved. In this way, you can record your laptop screen without installing any software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.